Let me start with a very, very simple question. Because this is a television show, and I believe you are coming back on television show after how many years?
I don't think I've been in a television studio now for what, 4 years now, or maybe 5 years it's been. And it's also very good to be sitting on this side instead of that side to answer questions.
And the question is why? Why this sannyas from political studio? Is a state of mind or state of media?
I think it's a state of media more than the state of mind. It's also the part of the evolution, right? My view is technologies change, things change. There was a time when media was print. Then there was a time when media was broadcast journalism, and that is when I started my career. Then it became digital, and that was an exciting journey also when digital was starting to come. Yeah. But 5 years ago, 6 years ago, I felt that सब कुछ change होने वाला है.
Yeah.
The existing nature of the media is going to change. Linear television is going to die. Television news in its present format is going to phase out. Something new is going to come. What will that something new be? Instead of watching it from afar, why not work in trying to build it up? And that's essentially what I've been trying to do for the last 4 years with Editorji.
Two factors. Number one, that realization that things are changing. Number two, the realization that this is not where I belong. What was it? Both?
See, the television has changed. It's not, I don't think it was a lack of belonging as much as wanting to shape the next thing. We are lucky. In our lifetimes, we are seeing multiple waves that are coming. So when I started off, everything in India used to be print, broadcast journalism, nobody had heard. When I said, मुझे broadcast journalist बनना है, people say broadcast journalism तो है ही नहीं इंडिया में, क्या broadcast journalism बनोगे? कुछ होता ही नहीं है. दूरदर्शन है, that was it. We did video cassettes, news track. News track के video cassettes, VCR पे लोग देखते थे उसको. VCR पे. And then from there, then television started. So it was a new way of doing things, right? Yeah. And it's exciting. When something does not exist and you try and create it, it's very exciting. I felt the same excitement in early 2000s when we said, "Bhai, news agar aana hai, mobile phone pe news dalna hai, video on the internet, can it be done?" It was a very exciting process of building it up. Now, this particular journey started when I was interviewing, actually, like this. I was interviewing Sundar Pichai of Google.
Yeah.
And he said that real disruption is going to come now when people in individual industries will figure out. I said there's no AI revolution taking place. He said AI revolution will come, and AI revolution will come when people in individual industries who understand that industry will use AI to disrupt their own industries.
Oh.
They will use AI to disrupt their own business. When they do that, that's when disruption and change will come. I said, bhai, interesting, sounds like good gyan. Yeah. How does it actually work? And then I said, how are people using AI to disrupt the media business? And there are very few good case studies or successful examples of that, not just in India, but anywhere in the world. I said, okay, how should it be done if you have to do it? So I went and sat in my basement for 2 years and said, okay, this is where I think, this is how I think it can be done. Now, are we the only people who will succeed in doing it? Perhaps not. Are we the right people who will be able to do it? Maybe not. But it's a very exciting challenge to try and see what is the technology of the future. How will video news be consumed in 2025 and in 2030?